So you may be seeing all those people creating AI generated images on themselves, and you might be trying to figure out how you can do it yourself. It's a very basic process. The first thing you want to do though is you want to make your way over to your App Store, Play Store, and you want to type in Lensa like that, and you want to download this Lensa application. Now there's probably 30,000 different applications that can do the same thing, but this seems to be the most popular one that more people are using right now. So go ahead and download this app, and what you want to do after is you want to go ahead and open it up, and you'll come into this page. Now, you may not come here, it may require permissions and whatnot, so go ahead and set that up. Now, the specific feature we want to use is this magic avatars feature. So we're going to go and click here, and it's going to basically allow us to try this out. So basically what it's going to do is it's going to generate some images for us like this. It's actually really cool, it does a pretty decent job. So we can go and click try now, and you want to make sure you have some images either of yourself or of some people. As you can see, here's some examples of some good images already. So here we can go and click continue, say I've reached whatever, click continue. And then it says good photo examples, bad ones. So it'll allow us to go and select 10 to 20 selfies. So in this case, I do not have 10 to 20 selfies here. I'm going to go ahead and select some random photos that I have here, and I am very curious to see what's going to come up from it. But in this case, you would use your own images. So in this case, just go to whatever thing you're already on, download the application, set it up for yourself, and see if it's working out. Because like I said, it's not going to work out that well in this example because I don't have images of myself like that on here. So once you have all the photos selected, I'm just going to go and select two more finally. Okay, here's another one. And we'll just throw in this one here as well. Okay, here we go. Show selected. And perfect. We're going to go and click done. And once you go ahead and do that and you go and click add up there, it's going to take a few seconds to or a few minutes for everything to go through. And it says not enough photos, which is very weird because it says 10 to 12 and I already selected a lot. So you would essentially go ahead and add your photos here. And from here, you go ahead and keep continuing on. And by the end of it, you will have your photos AI generated just like this. So that is basically how it's done. Again, nothing crazy, but this is pretty much the application that you would end up using to go and do this. So if you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.